we will buy 2 more football.
If you vote for us, we will have more break.
If you vote for us, we will have more time for partying night. If you vote for us, we will buy you the animal you want.
These are our promises and thanks for your attention.
Please vote for us.
If you vote for us, we will have more time to sleep. If you vote for us, we will have more points.
If you vote for us, we will have more parties at night. If you vote for us, we will have fewer hours of English. If you vote for us, we will be able to eat sweets in English class.
If you vote for us, we will have more activities. If you vote for us, you will see your family today. Vote for us.
If you vote for us, you will have more breakfast.
If you vote for us, you will have less English.
If you vote for us, you will play more games.
If you vote for us, the monitors won't take your phones.
Hello, as the secretary of Julie's class. I would like to say the winner. Drummer, please.